Let's have a quick turbo tapping session that you can do anytime that you need a little confidence and find yourself slightly envying others. This will help you get back on track. Top of head. Sometimes I wish I could be anyone else other than myself. But that's crazy thinking. What's wrong with just being me? Nothing's wrong with being me. I'm a unique person with my own strengths and abilities. I have to find and follow the right path for me. And if it takes longer than other people take with their paths, it's okay. It's okay. I will reach my goal. I am always in the right place and in my right time. I'm trusting my intuition and intelligence to guide me to right actions. I'm just as good as anyone else that I've been looking up to. Maybe not as experienced, but just as good. If the negative, nagging doubts come back again, I'm going to think of all the good things I've done, the goals I've achieved, the good I've done for others, and tell myself I can go even further. Even further. I can grow into an even more awesome person. I can admire others. Yes, I can admire others. But I don't have to imitate them. I'm good enough as I am. Now, take a deep breath in and out to recharge your energy and know that you are amazing.